Road trip car prep, essential checks you might forget. Ready to hit the open road? Road trips are the ultimate adventure, offering freedom and unforgettable experiences. But before you pack your bags and crank up the tunes, let's make sure your car is ready for the journey. Neglecting car prep can turn your dream trip into a roadside nightmare. Fluid levels, the lifeblood of your car. Checking your car's fluid levels is like giving it a vital health checkup. These fluids keep everything running smoothly, preventing costly breakdowns and ensuring your safety. Don't skip this crucial step. Check coolant level, prevent overheating. Low coolant is a recipe for disaster. It can lead to overheating, which can seriously damage your engine. Make sure your coolant reservoir is filled to the appropriate level. Check brake fluid level, stop with confidence. Insufficient brake fluid compromises your braking power. This is a serious safety hazard. Check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if needed. Check power steering fluid level, effortless maneuvering. Power steering fluid ensures easy and responsive steering. Low levels can make turning the wheel difficult, especially during long drives. Keep that reservoir topped up. Check windshield washer, fluid level, clear visibility ahead. A clear windshield is essential for safe driving. Don't let a dirty windshield obstruct your view. Fill up your windshield washer fluid reservoir before you go. Lights, see and be seen. Your car's lights are your communication system on the road. They help you see clearly and let other drivers know your intentions. Make sure all your lights are working properly. Check headlights. Illuminate the way. Headlights are crucial for nighttime driving and visibility in poor weather. Ensure both headlights are working and properly aligned. Check taillights. Signal your presence. Taillights let other drivers know you're there, especially at night or in low visibility. Make sure both taillights are functioning correctly. Check brake lights. Alert following drivers. Brake lights are essential for preventing rear-end collisions. Have someone check your brake lights while you press the brake pedal. Check turn signals. Communicate your intentions. Turn signals are vital for safe lane changes and turns. Check all your turn signals, both front and rear, to ensure they're working. Burnt-out bulbs, a safety hazard. Burnt-out bulbs compromise your safety and can even get you a ticket. Replace any non-functioning bulbs immediately. Belts and hoses, the unsung heroes. Belts and hoses are the unsung heroes of your engine. They keep everything running smoothly, but they can wear out over time. Regular inspection is key. Check for cracks, a sign of weakness. Cracks in belts and hoses indicate they're starting to deteriorate. Replace any cracked belts or hoses before they fail. Check for fraying, a ticking time bomb. Fraying belts are on the verge of breaking. Don't wait for them to snap on the road. Replace them as soon as you notice fraying. Check for wear and tear. Prevent breakdowns. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as bulging or softening. These are signs that the belt or hose is nearing the end of its life. Broken belts, hoses, a roadside nightmare. Broken belts or hoses can cause serious engine damage and leave you stranded on the side of the road. Prevention is always better than cure. Wipers, clear vision in any weather. Your windshield wipers are your best friend in rain, snow, or even just dusty conditions. Make sure they're in good condition for optimal visibility. Check for streaking, a sign of wear. Streaking wipers leave streaks of water on your windshield, reducing visibility. This is a sign that they need to be replaced. Check for wear. Replace when needed. Worn wipers can become brittle and ineffective. Replace your wipers every 6 months to a year, or sooner if you notice any signs of wear. Fresh wipers, crystal clear visibility. Fresh wipers ensure a clear and unobstructed view of the road ahead, keeping you safe in all weather conditions. Emergency kit. Be prepared for anything. An emergency kit is your lifeline in case of a breakdown or other unexpected situation. A well-stocked kit can make all the difference. Include jumper cables for a dead battery. Jumper cables are essential for jump-starting a dead battery. Make sure you know how to use them safely. Include a first aid kit. Treat minor injuries. A first aid kit can help you treat minor injuries until you can get professional medical attention. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Include a flashlight with fresh batteries. See in the dark. A flashlight is essential for nighttime repairs or signaling for help. Make sure it has fresh batteries. Include a tire repair kit or spare tire. Fix a flat. A flat tire can ruin your road trip. A tire repair kit or spare tire can get you back on the road quickly. Make sure you know how to use them. Include necessary tools for basic repairs. DIY solutions. Include basic tools like a wrench, screwdriver, and pliers for simple repairs. These can come in handy for tightening loose bolts or making minor adjustments. Consider adding a reflective safety vest. Be seen. A reflective safety vest makes you more visible to other drivers, especially at night or in low-light conditions. Consider adding flares. Signal for help. Flares can alert other drivers to your presence and signal for help in an emergency. Prepare for a smooth ride. Taking the time to prepare your car for a road trip is an investment in your safety and peace of mind. By checking these essential items, you can significantly reduce the risk of breakdowns and ensure a smoother, more enjoyable journey. Don't let a preventable car problem ruin your adventure. Before you hit the road, grab our free road trip checklist in the description below. It's a comprehensive guide to help you remember all the essential checks. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more car care tips. Share this video with your friends who are planning a road trip. Safe travels.